Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels. This is the X-Jet from the Hot Wheels Screen Time series. Number 10 of 10, new for 2021 model, and it's from the X-Men Marvel production. 221 of 250 on the year, and this is really cool. Got two of these, one to keep in the packaging, one to open. This is from the N case. GRX 15's the number. Got this from my Dollar General. And the X-Jet was born in 1977, the designer's X-Men. Although the X-Men possess amazing powers and abilities, sometimes they need more conventional transportation, and when that need arises, they fire up the X-Jet. The X-Jet is a highly advanced aircraft with the ability to vertically take off and land, cloak itself, and cruise at supersonic speeds. Cool casting, vehicles inspired by popular movies, TV shows, video games, and more. That's what the Hot Wheels Screen Time series is. And we've got the X-Jet here. Get it open. I think we got a protector on this one. And he ripped it. But this is the protector. Oh man. Oh, what is this? Oh yeah, so we have the stand for it. We have the actual jet. Yeah, I'm liking this. Here's what the X-Jet looks like. Just a bare X-Jet. Look at that. Very cool. Not too much detail on this one, but we got plastic wings. We've got the cool designs like red windows, those yellow tampos on the top. It's a cool little casting made by Hot Wheels. And the base is plastic, 2020 copyright, made in Malaysia, Marvel. Let's take a look at that stand now. It's shaped like the Hot Wheels symbol. And we've got, it's all plastic, made in Malaysia. GRX 88. What? Maybe that stand is from the Batmobile stand. That's why it has a different toy number, but these are made in Malaysia. And this will just clip on like so. You can see the two holes right there. That's what the X-Jet looks like on the stand. Very cool casting. Great addition to my collection. Just awesome casting. X-Jet from Marvel. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.